Where does the name for Dwygyfylchi come from? So today I'm in Dwygyfylchi. It's a small village just on the north coast of Conwy County by Penman Mawr. Let's get into the name. So the name for Dwygyfylchi is one of those names that gives a lot of trouble to people from outside of Wales in terms of how to pronounce it. So let's break the name down. First we have Dwy. Now Dwy is the feminine version of dau, which means two. And then we have Gyfylchi. Now Gyfylchi is a really interesting word. It's the soft mutation of Cyfylchi, which is the plural of Cyfylch, which means a circular fortress, and is related actually to the modern Welsh word cylch, meaning a circle. Now the town here originally grew up slightly further up the valley towards Capilillo, because it was only in the 16th century that actually the land here was dry enough to build a town on it. Now if I was a betting man, not that I am, I'd say it's probably named after the hill fort on Alltwen, Dinas Alltwen, and maybe Penman Mawr called Dinas y Braich. So the name literally means the two circular fortresses. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales and a couple outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon. The link is in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.